Hello everyone, how are you? Mr.Zaki with you to explain Mawheba level 3. Now we will take the fifth strategies in this lesson because we talked from 1 to 4 strategies before. Today we will explain the fifth strategies that call solving problems by using Venn diagram. Look here, many problems you can use Venn diagrams to solve problems. Now we will read these questions. Look here, 28 students are studying in a class. Look, now the all one is 28 students. The number of students studying mathematics only 8. So we draw a diagram here for mathematics, and the number of students studying both mathematics and physics. So we have also physics, and compare between A and a value of B. Now we write here, he said students studying mathematics is 8, then you write here 8. So this math. And the second one, the number of students studying both mathematics and physics is 12. So now what is the remainder here? Because here it is physics. Look, so what is the remainder? Because the 28, yeah, 28, 28 you subtract from 8 and 12. So 8 plus 12 is 20. Now 28 minus 20, it is what? It is 8, right? So the questions said compare between value of A, value of B. Number of math student only, it is 8, right? And number of physics student only, it is 8. So what is the correct answer? Hello, Muhammad Abdul Latif, you are welcome. Okay, now, what is the answer? It is number C, because the value of A equals value of B, so the answer is C. The two values are equal. Okay, do you understand? Is it clear, these questions? Now, we will take the second example. The second example said 100 learners are studying in a language institute. The number of learners are studying English is 60. Look here. Okay, pay attention about the numbers. Here, the all student is 100 learners. And the number of learners studying English only, it is 60. Okay, we draw. Okay, that's I think the diagram is ready, so we explain it in this diagram. Okay, now, so the total the learner is, sorry, so 100 learners are studying, and he said also studying English is 60. Then we draw about this one for English, and another one, the number of learners studying French also here also French, and the number of learners studying both language is 35. Find the number of learners studying neither English or French. Look, so we draw for one for English and one for French. Look here, we draw this for English language. So write it here, English. And another one where it is what? It is 50. What is it? This is not English. It is French. So we write here French because the French is 50 and English is 60. So write here English. Now both language is 35 and English language 25. The remainder from 60, it is 25. And French language, the remainder is 15. So 15 plus 35, it is 50. And here 35 plus 25 is 60, right? So what is the remainder from 100 learner student? Because all student is 100, so the remainder is 25, right? So what is the answer now? Find the number of learners studying neither English or French. So what is the answer? Yes, it is 25, right? It is 25 because here 25, the remainder from 100, you add 15 plus 35 plus 25, then you subtract from 100. So 100 minus here, when you add three quantities, 35 plus 25, it is 60, and 15, it is 75. Then you subtract 100 minus 75, it is 25. So the answer, or the correct answer, is B. Is it clear? So these questions or these problems, you can use Venn diagram. It is easy to solve problems. Okay, now we will take the third example here. The example said 45. The example, a 45 student class here. A 45 student class here. The all student, we have a 45 student class. 27 students study French, and this 20 study French, and 15 students study German. Also here, sorry, 15 studying German also, and 9 students study here, 9 students, oh sorry, okay, 9 students study both languages. Find the number of students who study a language at least. Okay, we draw diagram here. All student is 45. So 27 study French. So we draw here 20 here we draw for here we draw sorry, we draw here about French. It is, and also we have 9 students study both languages. Then you put it here 9 and 15 student. What is the correct? What is the and what is the remainder from 15? 15 minus 9 is 6, and 27 minus 9, it is 18. So find the number of students who study a language at least. At least that's said only one language. Only you add 18 18 student learn French, and 9 students learn 2 languages, and 6 students learn only German language. You add 9 plus 6 is 15, plus 18 it is 33. So the answer is 33. What is the correct answer? It is B. It is D, sorry, it is D, sorry. Right how to solve like these problems by Venn diagrams. Okay, there's also the same also. There's the same, you draw diagrams and you solve it. Okay, we can we take it the 6 strategies, because this the last strategies. We want to finish strategies, and then we will solve the problems or the model exam. Okay, now this is the 6th one, forming a mathematical equation. There are forming mathematics to solve problems. Like example 1, if the sum of 4 consecutive odd number is 56, then the greatest number of them is what? Now he said the sum of 4 consecutive. We suppose the first number is X, the second number, because we have odd numbers and here consecutive number, then between number and another number, it is what? What is the difference between them? Only the difference is plus what? Plus 2, right? Because odd number, it is like this. If the one is odd number, the second one is what? What is it? The odd number, the second one. It is, hello? Are you with me? Yes, Muhammad Abdul Latif. It is 3. Then the third number, it is what? It is 5, right? The fourth number, it is 7, right? So what is the difference between 3 and 1? It is 2, all right? And what is the difference between 5 and 3? It is also 2. So when the question said the sum of 4 consecutive, that is between odd number to another number, it is 2. Now, what is the third number? The third number will be X plus what? Plus 4, right? And the third number, he said 4 numbers. So the fifth number, it is X plus 6. All them, when you add these numbers, equals 56, right? Now here 56. So you can add the variable x's, x plus x here, x plus x plus x plus x. What is it? It is how much? It is what? It is 4x, right? No, not 3x, it is 4x, because here, look here, okay, I show you how. This x, and here also x, and this x, and the last one is x, okay, right. Now we have 4 x's. Also then we add the numbers. Now we add the numbers. We have here 2 and 4, 6, right? 2 plus 4, it is 6, plus 6, it is what? It is, right? How much will be? It is 12, right? Good, Muhammad Abdul Latif, right? Equals 12. Then equals all of them equals 56. This now we transfer from analogy or from the words to equation in mathematics. Now I can solve these problems. 12 go to another side, then 4x equals 56 minus 12, right? Then 4x equals, you subtract, equals 44 divided by 4, then you get x equals 11, right? Now we get this 11, right? Now the small number now, it is 11. Say the greatest, so the greatest number, now you substitute here. 11 plus 6 equals what? Equals 17, right? So the correct answer or the right answer, it is what? It is number C, right? Good, it is C. Okay, we will go to another example here. Example 2, a positive integer whose square exceeds its double by 8. Find the number, right? You see here, when you read the questions, a positive integers whose square, you put it here, x square, right, like this. He said whose square, like x square, that exceeds its double, exceeds that minus 2x, because he said double, by 8 equals what? Equals 8, right? Now we solve these problems. How I solve it? Then 8 to go another side. Yes, you can also try from the choosing. You take the answer and you substitute, then you get the correct answer, because he said a positive integer. If you put here 16, you think it is correct answer? 16 square minus 2 times x, is it equals 8? I think no, it is not correct. If you try, if you choose 12, if you put it here 12, if you put it 12 here, 12 times 12, it is 144 minus 24, it is not correct. It is 8B is not correct. Okay, try the number C. 8 square, yes, 8 square will be 64 minus 2 times 8, it is 16. So is it equals 8? Do you think? No, it is not correct, 8. So we will go this now. The third chosen is wrong. So we take number 4. Okay, write it here. X squared, it is 16 minus 2 times 8, 2 times 4, it is 8. Then 16 minus 8 equals 8, right? So it is good. It is correct. So the answer is number D. You see? All right, Kautham. Okay, is it clear? When I write equation from the questions, I can substitute from the choosing. I choose one, then substitute in the question. If you get the correct answer, the right is good. Right, good. Okay, we will go to example number, what is it? Yeah, example 2, finish. Example number 3. Okay. The length of rectangle, I said here, the length of rectangle exceeds its width by 5. Right here by 5. If it is area 14, find its length. Right, we substitute the small one, this width, it is x. We write here x. Then rectangle exceeds its width, it is what? X plus 5, because the length is longer than the width. Between them, it is 5. So the area is 14. Yes, you can multiply width and length, you get the area of rectangle. X plus 5, this is the length, because the area of the rectangle, length time width equals area, right? Then the width is x, and the area that's given, it is 14. Okay, if now you have 2 ways to solve these problems. Or if you can, also you can multiply x times x, x times 5, or only you find 2 numbers that when you multiply it, when you multiply 2 numbers, you get 14. What do you think? What do you think what is the fact when you factor 14, how you get 14? I try it. This 14, it is 14 times 1. You get 14, right? And the second one, it is 7 times 2. You get also 14, right? So here, which one I choose? Which one? Is it 14 times 1 is correct? My student, is it correct? No, because between the length and width is 5. Now 14 times 1, the difference between them, it is 13. So it is wrong. The second one, 7 times 2, yes, you get 14. Then you put it here, 7 multiply by 2, you get 14, right? Because between 7 and 2, it is 5. Now, the length is 7. The width is 2. So he asked me, find its length. So the length is what? Is 7, right? It is number B. Is it clear, my student? It is clear. Is it clear? Do you understand? Without solving the problems, look here, you think that when you multiply 2 numbers, you get the 14, right? Good. So we will take now example 4, the last example, how to solve problems. 3 consecutive positive even number. Okay, now, what is the first even number? Do you know? The first even number, it is what? Yeah, I know x, but when I ask you about the even numbers, yes, it is 2. The second one, it is what? It is 4. The third one, it is 6, and etc. So 3 consecutive positive even number, we write here like this: x, the first number. The second number, it is x plus 2, because the difference between the first even number and the second number, it is 2. Plus the third one, it is what? X plus what? X plus 4, right? Now we have these three numbers. The square of the middle numbers exceeds the sum of the two other numbers by 8. He said, find the middle number. Now he said the middle one, x plus 2, he said the square, you square the middle number. Now we write x plus 2 because the second number, I put it here square. And he said the sum of the two, exceeds minus the sum of the two number, the two other numbers. What is the two other numbers we have? Because the second one or the middle one, we square it, then the other number we add it. X plus x, it is what? It is 2x minus plus 4, right? Plus 4, sorry. Plus 4. Now, equals what? Equals 8. Okay, can I solve this problem? Yes, you can. You can solve it. Only you substitute here. Try it if you choose 4. Okay, put it here 4. 4 plus 2, it is 6. It's 6 square it is 36. Minus. Okay, now try it 2 times 4, it is 8. 8 plus 4 equals 12. Okay, when you subtract 36 minus 12, is it equals 8? I think no, it is not correct. It is not equals 8. So this answer is wrong, right? Oh, or is it right? Find the middle number. Okay, no. He said because find the middle number, not find the x. Sorry, find the middle number. So we solve it, this problem, because he asked about middle numbers. So we solve now this problem. You distribute here x plus 2 to the power 2 and minus 2x plus 4. Okay, when you distribute this here, x square, and x times 2 times 2, it is 4x, and the second one, 2 square, it is 4, right? Minus, also this, you distribute this negative to the other, you multiply two numbers, 2 minus times 2x minus 2x minus 4 equals 8. So you find x first. You find x. Okay, now you can simplify minus 4 with plus 4. Also here, 4x minus 2x. You get it here like this. I show you. Okay, here. Now we distribute, then x squared plus 2x minus 8. We can factor in these questions, x squared plus 2x minus 8, two brackets, that's x minus 2. You bring two numbers. When you multiply it, two numbers, you get minus 8. So x minus 2 times x plus 4 equals 0. Then the x equal to and or x equal to minus 4, it is refused because it's negative. So now he asked to me about the middle one, x plus 2. I find it x is 2. Then you substitute here, you put it 2 plus 2 equals 4. So the correct answer is 4, the middle one. It is A. Right, I am sorry about it in I mistake before because I thought that he want another question. Okay, and we finish the 6 strategies now. Thank you very much for watching or for listening me, and thank you. Good luck and goodbye, Mr. Zaki with you. Bye bye.